Guess what, man? I get the sweetest, hottest worker in KTA. She goes to school. She watches the grandma. Hey, how's like working at KTA?
It's a good experience.
Wow, but who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big Shakatoya! Hey, guess what, man? I got two hard-working bakery girls over here. I got Arisa and I got...
Easy.
Easy! So easy. You going to school yet?
I start in the fall.
Wow, at where?
UHH.
Wow, and you work here part-time.
Yep.
And Arisa?
UH Hilo.
Yeah, Chilo. And what you majoring in?
Psychology.
Hey, but who's the fastest cook?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big Sakaro man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. We got some hard-working people working here at KTA Meat Department. So I'm going to fry some chicken, and I'm going to make chicken two ways. First way I'm going to make it is I'm going to season it with ponzu sauce and furikake. And the second season would be our famous salt and vinegar. First thing to do, put on the fire. So we're dumping some oil right over here. I like my chicken really crispy. I put cornstarch, right? All I want to do is put them in the bag just like this. I'm going to cut the chicken in a little small pieces, okay? Throw them inside this bag right like this. Okay, I got the cornstarch inside the bag and kind of shake it all up. Make sure the chicken is dry and it's not really wet, right? Yeah. Wait till the oil gets hot. Wash off some excess cornstarch. Fry the boneless, skinless thighs until it was crispy. Okay, while the thing is frying, the red bowl, I'm putting the salt and vinegar seasoning. We sell this at KTA. You can order them online. Dump them inside a red bowl. Okay, so I'm going to toss the chicken in here. Okay, the white bowl, I'll grab some ponzu sauce. Okay, dump it inside here. That is a furikake. Okay, the furikake chicken. Notice how the cornstarch creates a chicken skin effect on the boneless chicken thighs. Okay, I think it's done. Put it all in the pan just like this, right? Put a hand towel on the bottom to absorb all the fat. There you go, man, the fried chicken. Now I'm gonna season it, okay? Okay, here's a furikake. Remember the furikake mixer? Put the chicken inside over here. Gonna toss it all around, just like this. Okay, the furikake chicken. Now, you get the salt and vinegar chicken, okay? Just whip it up like that. Just coat a little bit salt and vinegar. I need mucho be with it. Now here is the salt and vinegar chicken. So ono. This is the ponzu sauce with furikake on the chicken. Oh, really ono. Problem with this, I have to stop. Until next week, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Oh no.